So if you check the build up from where this market started, which is at that place, move your moving average again to that place.
Okay, so that's lowest.
Yeah, that's it. Exactly, that's the place. Now this market started from here. That's where the setup started. Okay. Now I want you to get a horizontal line. Go click on shapes where you have the triangles.
Okay.
Yeah, click on shapes.
Okay. Horizontal, Abi.
Add objects. I want to teach you how to do it directly. Add object.
Okay.
Pick a horizontal line.
Horizontal line. Okay.
Yes, then tap that particular place your plus is.
Yeah. Is it this one or this one at the top?
Have you tapped the screen already? Tap it, just drop it at that particular place your cross was initially.
Okay. I will now drop the horizontal line there.
Yes.
Okay. Still trying to get used to these things.
Just tap your screen, you've already clicked it.
I tapped my screen. This is what I can see.
Drop your moving average.
Okay.
Go and tap that moving average. Tap that plus.
Okay.
Or you go and pick it again.
Okay. Add object horizontal. Okay.
Drag the horizontal line to that place.
So that lowest.
Yes, to the lowest wick. That lowest wick there. That place is build up started. Thank you. That is where this build up started from, because that is where it faced a strong support. As you can see, that was the second confirmation after the long wick from the green candle. The next one was the support from the red candle. So I think it is not a double bottom, okay, but it's a rejection that happened at the same price level. So it stands for a support, okay? Now it's a strong support because after that place, the retracement was kind of long. This is a 4 hours candle. If it's a 1 hour, you will see how long that retracement was. Okay? Now go and pick an arrow for me that has an arrowhead. Go to shapes.
Shape, Abi?
Yes, go to shapes.
Okay. Is this arrowed line? Is that the one you want me to pick?
Yeah.
Arrowed line.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Here's what it's showing. Might you have done the right? I don't think so. Let me do it again.
Just click on the arrowhead. What are you doing? Click on done, please. Go back again.
Okay.
Click on the arrowhead.
There is only
that arrowed line. Click on that arrowed line.
Okay. I'll click on
now don't tap the screen. This one is different. Well, as you're tapping the screen, don't raise your hand. Keep your hand on the screen and drag it.
Okay.
Why are you with your moving average?
Sorry, let me do it again.
Okay.
Maybe it's something I'm not doing right. It's still.
Tap your moving average. Tap your moving average. Something is going wrong. Tap your moving average.
I've tapped it. It's off now.
Oh yeah, go and pick the shape again.
Okay. It's still coming with. I don't know. Maybe there's something I'm not doing right.
That is what it's supposed to be now. Are you sure your screen is not over tapping and mistakenly tapping moving average?
No. Okay, I think this is it. Maybe.
Drag it up.
I think I have it now. So should I delete this one? Is there a way I can?
Just drag that one you have. Just move it. Hold it and move it up. You can carry it. Tap the middle. Tap in between the arrow. Drag it up.
So where should I put it?
Start it from that place where you marked that horizontal line. Drag it down to the higher high.
Okay.
No. Where are you going to? No. No, place it from the place you have your support.
Here.
Yes, that is where the tail is supposed to be. Then the arrowhead should be dragged. Don't just hold the arrowhead and drag it to move, to extend.
Okay, you mean to extend like this?
No, don't move the horizontal line. Can you just see? Move it up again.
Okay.
Move it up small. Now wait. Don't tap in between the arrow. Tap the head.
Okay.
That head.
The head.
Yes, that arrowhead.
Yeah, but it's showing moving average again.
No, you're not tapping the arrowhead, you're tapping the screen. Make sure when you tap the arrowhead, hold it, it will move. When it moves, you know it has moved. When you tap it, you move it. You don't tap it and leave it, you tap it and hold it.
Okay.
Or you drag it up, carry it up.
Up.
Yes, go straight. No, look at your higher high now. That place your higher high is. That is the higher high there where you have a long wick. That is where you're going to direct it to.
The green one?
Yes.
Or the red one?
The green one. The green one.
Okay.
No, don't go that way. You're going to the right hand side.
Should I move it a little like this so that it's easier to do? Okay, I'm coming here. I'm coming to this candlestick.
Keep it at where it was. That candle, the last candlestick is where you want to move it from.
Okay, this one where.
Yes, move the tail to that place.
The tail to this place, like this.
That is the arrowhead. I told you that arrowhead will go up. The tail is the side that is not the arrowhead. That is where we start it.
Okay. Meaning, is this the tail? This last dot here.
That is the tail.
Okay. And this is the middle, and this is the head, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. So now, you want me to move the tail to the lowest wick, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. I'm beginning to understand. Like this?
Yes. Then drag the arrowhead up.
So I should not drag the arrowhead up.
Up.
Is it now on top of this or on top of the green one?
Just drag it up. It doesn't matter where it goes. Just drag it straight up. Let me see where you're taking it to.
Sorry, you need to bear with me.
No problem.
Like this?
Where did you take the arrowhead to now? Oh yeah, drag it to see. Higher highs. Do you know the highest high there?
Yes, is this green candle before the red one that has the lowest?
Drag it to that direction, to the right hand side. Drag it to the right hand side.
Coming on.
It's not a straight movement, it's not a vertical one, it's diagonal. So follow the line straight to where it is.
Oh, I get you now. I was thinking it's meant to be a straight line.
No, it's not.
Oh, sorry.
There are different types of trend.
Okay. So what you are saying? Let me understand so that I will know how to do it. What you are saying now is that this arrowhead is supposed to go diagonally over the higher eye. Will it touch this other red candle where I put the horizontal line beneath? Is it supposed to touch it?
It's supposed to touch there. Drag it up.
Okay. Diagonally like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see. Sorry about the mix-up. I want to return it and now redirect it again.
Yeah.
But the tail is supposed to be touching.
The tail, where the tail is good. Where the tail is good.
It's good. Okay. Trying to see how I want to move it so that it forms a diagonal line and touch. I'm not getting it though. I'm sorry.
Just drag it up, straight up. You're stressing